I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Gather materials. HB pencil, 2H for guidelines, 2B for shading, eraser, ruler, black fine liner, colored pencils or markers, and a 16:9 canvas or paper orientation. Use a reference photo of the Ferrari 488 Pista and set wheel diameter to 20 inches for scale so proportions stay accurate. Start with a 1:2 roof to hood proportion and lightly mark the wheel centers, roof line, hood length. Begin by sketching a low profile and long hood using gentle curved lines for the bonnet and roof. Keep strokes light. Draw wheel arches to fit 20-inch wheels and place wheels slightly behind the car center for the race stance. Block in the windshield, side windows, and mirror shapes, then add the Pista's large rear diffuser and vents, plus front splitter and headlight shapes. Refine curves and check the roof-to-hood ratio as you move from block to detail. Use 2H pencil for guidelines and 2B for shading to build form, keeping strokes consistent with the body curvature. Render reflections with smooth gradients, darken under the side skirts and inside vents, and add specular highlights with an eraser and white gel pen for glossy paint. Color Ferrari Rosso Corsa for authentic appearance, darken panel gaps, and emphasize headlight detail. Finish wheels with contrast and brake calipers, clean outlines with fine liner, and step back to adjust values and final highlights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.